Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to review the Blue Heaven foundation and concealer. So if you're interested watching the first impression and also my review, make sure you are subscribed. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Like my review videos, I'm not wearing any makeup in this particular video. So आज की वीडियो में we are going to review this foundation. This is a Blue Heaven high coverage foundation with primer, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. Also, when I got this particular pack, I got this blender, beauty blender, free with this particular pack, which I think it looks really cute. The packaging looks really cute, and I got this one from Cuffs and Lashes because there I could find really good discounts on this particular pack. So that's why I got my hands on this particular pack from Cuffs and Lashes. Now I also have the concealer. This is a Blue Heaven Photo Perfect Concealer, Full Coverage Concealer. Now I haven't reviewed this as well, but I have used it many times, so I know what I feel about this particular product. This one I think I got from Purple, लेकिन Cuffs and Lashes पे भी आपको बहुत ही easily मिल जाएगा. I'm going to use this particular beauty blender. Again ये Blue Heaven का ही है. If you don't know, दो तरीके के साइजेस में आता है. एक तो ये इस तरीके से जो कि टीयर ड्रॉप की शेप में है, एंड एक ये ऐसा होता है. सो लेट्स सी. एंड इसको मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे से वेट कर लिया है, सारा पानी इसका मैंने निकाल लिया है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी, एंड बिफोर मूविंग अहेड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज एनी प्राइमर ऑन माई फेस बिकॉज इट सेज that it has primer, and on one side of my face I'm going to use beauty blender, and one side I'm going to use the brush. As you guys know, in every foundation video I always do that. Yeah, so let's start. So moving towards the packaging, this is how this particular foundation comes in. तो ये tube packaging में आपको मिल जाएगा, and when you open it you are having a pump. That's really great. The packaging is also very cute. ये beige color की packaging में इस तरीके से आता है, and you can see Blue Heaven written right over here. It retails for 350 rupees, but like I said, I got my hands on this particular product from Cuffs and Lashes, so I got it just for I think 300. Okay, 50 rupees off. So yeah, really liked it. So it says that it is a high coverage foundation with primer with SPF 50 plus PA triple plus. Now PA triple plus and 50 plus, it's a great amount of sunscreen in a foundation. Like I have never seen a foundation having SPF 50. So let's see how it fares. It also says that it is waterproof and it has an invisible cover. That means this cover has to be very flawless, and it should not appear as if you are wearing foundation. That's what it means. And here are all the claims written. If you can see here, all the claims are written over here. And my shade in this particular foundation is Caramel Mocha, which is the like last shade of the range. So if you are someone darker than me, I don't know how you are going to find your match, because I think this foundation has only 4 shades. That really sucks because 4 shades are like, it's not done right. And it has 45 grams of product. Now that's again a good quantity. So let's see. So like you know, all Blue Heaven products इसमें एक अजीब सी एक ना fragrance होती है. So this particular foundation, it is also having the same kind of fragrance, and but it is very easy to squirt out. As you can see, इस तरीके से आप squirt out इसको कर सकते हो. इसका pump भी बहुत अच्छा है. So you can see this is what it looks like. Now ये जो मेरा foundation है, this has pink undertone. I don't know how it is going to suit my skin tone, because if you don't know, I'm a very warm skin tone person. So let's see how it's going to perform. So yeah, it has a pink undertone. So I'm going to apply this on this particular side. It has very strong fragrance, guys. I think if you're someone who has a problem with fragrance, you are going to face a little problem. So now I'm going to blend it using the beauty blender. Okay, so it blended really well. It blends really well and does not accentuate any pores. So the point where it says that it has primer, so I agree with it because इसमें pores जो है वो बिल्कुल hide हो गए हैं. But if I talk about coverage, तो बहुत ज़्यादा coverage नहीं है. It's very low coverage foundation. I don't know, they are saying high coverage, but yeah, I don't feel it has high coverage. And the shade, it looks pretty neutral after applying it on my face. So let's see, let's apply this side. And this has a very cream like texture. Okay, it's neither too light or like it's neither too runny nor it's too thick. So yeah, now I'm going to use the Cuffs and Lashes F013 brush, and I have also reviewed these brushes. If you haven't checked it out, I will link it here. You can click it and check the review for yourself. Okay, so yes, the coverage with the brush is a little, like, it will give you a little more coverage with brush, but I don't think it's a high coverage foundation. It's pretty much like your BB cream, and it does give a sheen, but it's not too much. And yeah, it doesn't feel anything. Like the point when they are saying that it has an invisible finish, it is really true because it is very natural. And whenever I'm touching my face, it's not sticky. Okay, it's not sticky. Yeah, it's very lightweight and also feels cool on your face. So it's really good for everyday use. I'll suggest you, if you are a college going girl or if you are someone who goes to office regularly. Yeah, I don't know when we are going office regularly, but if you want to go to college regularly or office regularly and you need something for coverage, so this is going to be a really good option because it has SPF 50. And I myself, I belong from oily skin type, and it is not giving me any oiliness. So it is pretty matte, but it is not very matte. So if you have dry skin, just try to apply moisturizer, loads of moisturizer. And if you have a normal oily skin, this is going to suit you perfectly. Even for dry skin girls also, you need to moisturize and then you put this foundation on. So coverage wise, I don't think so there is there isn't high coverage. It's very nominal. It's not even medium coverage. I will call it a low coverage foundation. So if you have acne mark or if you have scarring, I don't think so this is going to take care of that. So don't whenever you are buying this, don't have high hopes because it is just going to be a very normal foundation. And regarding this shade, I feel that yeah, it is a little dark for my skin tone, because first of all it has peach undertone. So if you are one or two skin tone darker than me, this is going to suit you as well. This color, I will say. And I am NC42 in MAC for your reference, and golden in Maybelline Superstay foundation. So this is about the foundation. I don't need to powder it. That's a really good thing, that I don't need to powder it. But before moving ahead, I just want to check if I can layer this foundation or not. So I'm going to take one full pump, and for layering I'm going to take this sponge, and let's see if we can layer this foundation or not. Okay, from the sponge side, this is still looking very natural, so you can definitely layer this foundation. But let's see on the brush side if we can layer this foundation and blend it with the brush. Okay, I think if you want to build this foundation up, so use a beauty blender only, because if you are using a brush, it may get a little uncomfortable to blend this foundation. Yeah, so even after building up this foundation, this is looking pretty good on my skin. This is not looking caked up, and again I feel my face is not heavy, it's not feeling heavy. So yeah, really good foundation for daily use. Now coming to the concealer, this is how the outer packaging looks like. It reminds me of Elegant concealer from the outer packaging, but when you open it, it has a bond. So it is pretty much like the pack take cover concealer. It's the packaging is pretty much like that, and here you can see it is written full coverage concealer. Now if I'll tell you, it is the price is not mentioned on this packaging, but I will mention right here the pricing. And it has 16 ml of product, and my shade in this is mocha 09 mocha. So in this also I had caramel mocha, and now in this one I am having mocha. So let's see how this concealer is going to look like. I think it is not more than 150 rupees, but I will share the price right here. So I'll say the color of this concealer is better than the foundation, because the foundation had pink undertone, but this one this still has yellow undertone. So for us this is going to be really good. So now you can see this color is not my skin tone, so that means it is going to be highlighting concealer for my shade. Okay, and I don't know if they have more shade, but I think this was the darkest shade, or I think there are one or two more shade, don't remember exactly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this sponge on this side of my face, and on other side I'm going to use a brush. So let's use the sponge first. And for the brush I'm using Cuffs and Lashes F011 brush. Alright guys, so I have applied the concealer. Now the concealer it does not have a lot of coverage. It is again very less coverage, and it will not hide your imperfection, I believe. So this is really not good. I mean, I'm not happy with the concealer, because in 150 rupees you can get the Swiss Beauty one, which is better than this one. Okay, that has great coverage. This one, it doesn't have coverage or whatsoever, so there is no use of having this concealer. It's better you can go for the foundation, because it has SPF 50. So yeah, it will give you protection from sun, but I believe this concealer, it's total waste of time and money. So now I'm going to set my face using the Wet n Wild banana powder, because when I was applying the concealer I sweat a lot, and I can see the foundation was coming off from this particular area. So this is not sweat proof. If you sweat a lot, it will come off. Okay, now guys, let me finish my full face, and then I will return with my final review and what I think about these products. Okay guys, so this is a small check-in of Blue Heaven फाउंडेशन. तो मेरे फेस पे ये ऑक्सीडाइज हो गया है बहुत ही गंदे तरीके से. आई डोंट नो आपको कैमरा में दिख रहा है या नहीं, बट इफ़ आई सी इट इन रियल लाइफ इट हैज़ ऑक्सीडाइज. इट इज़ गिविंग मी वेरी I don't know, pink sort of hue on my face, which I really don't like, because it is making my face a little darker what it is in like in natural light or in general. So I don't know, like. And one more thing, that if you have dry skin, I don't think so this foundation is going to suit you. Like extreme dry skin types के लिए ये foundation नहीं है. तो आपको बहुत ही सोच समझ के फाउंडेशन लेना है. अगर आपकी ऑयली स्किन है तो आप ले सकते हो, और थोड़ा सा अपने फेस टोन से थोड़ा सा एक या दो शेड्स आप ऊपर जाओ, बिकॉज इट विल ऑक्सीडाइज अ लॉट. एंड यहाँ से थोड़ा सा ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है. सो या दैट्स अबाउट इट. अदरवाइज टेक्सचर वाइज बहुत ही अच्छा फाउंडेशन है. सो नाउ विल आई recommend this or not? Like in 300 rupees you can give this foundation a try अगर आपको सही शेड मिल गया, अपना शेड मिल गया. क्योंकि ब्लू हेवन के और भी फाउंडेशन मैंने यूज़ किए हैं. दिस वन इज़ फॉर मी इज़ द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ ऑल दोज, बिकॉज इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत ही अच्छी है. ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव यूज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ ब्लू हेवन प्रोडक्ट्स. सो इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है. फाइनली एक बहुत अच्छा फाउंडेशन है हमारे पास. बस शेड्स नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा. बस शेड्स होते हैं तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगता मुझे. So yeah, that is about it. Concealer is a big no-no because it is not giving any coverage. So फालतू में ये concealer लेने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. You can go for Swiss Beauty. I am very honest with my reviews, and whatever I buy with my money, I just make sure that it doesn't go waste, and I can share my reviews with you guys so that if you guys are planning to buy this particular foundation, you know what to expect, right? So that was about it. That was my review. Hope you guys liked it. So make sure to subscribe my channel, like this video. And I'm really sorry if I am fumbling today because I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe I'm too tired. But yeah, that is about it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care.